I'm Dr. Esperanza, and I've spent 45 years working as a dermatologist. But today, I want to talk to you not as a doctor, but as someone who understands how it feels when you look in the mirror and see changes you weren't prepared for. You may notice your skin looking tired, sagging in places it never used to, or maybe it's just not feeling as smooth or fresh anymore. And if you're like many people I've met, you've probably tried creams, serums, or even procedures, hoping something will bring back that glow. I understand, because I went through the same thing myself. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 daily habits that truly changed my skin, and the skin of many older patients I've worked with. I'd love to know where you're watching from today. Drop your city or state in the comments below. It makes me happy to see how far our community reaches. Let's get started. Before we dive in, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Drop your city or state in the comments below. I always love seeing how far our community is reaching. Point 1. Change the way you wash your face. Let's begin with the most overlooked habit, how you wash your face. You might think it's just about getting clean, but the truth is, this is the moment when a lot of damage happens without you even realizing it. Many of us have grown up believing that cold water is good for tightening the skin and that rubbing it dry with a towel is harmless. But as someone who did the same for decades, I can tell you, that routine is not doing your skin any favors. Here's the problem: cold water shocks your skin and closes your pores too quickly. That means your skin can't properly release the waste or absorb the moisture it needs. And when you follow it by rubbing your skin with a towel, especially a rough one, you're actually creating tiny injuries, especially around your eyes and the corners of your mouth, where the skin is thinner and more delicate. You may not notice it right away, but over time, these small injuries lead to deeper wrinkles, sagging, and dry patches that never seem to go away. What your skin really needs is warmth and gentleness. Lukewarm water, not hot, not cold, helps open the pores just enough to cleanse without stripping away the natural oils that protect your skin. And when it comes to touching your face, think of it like handling a newborn baby. Use your ring finger, the softest and weakest of your fingers, especially around the eyes. Instead of scrubbing, gently press and glide the cleanser over your skin, almost like applying lotion. No need for pressure, just soft, caring movements. I used to rush through face washing like it was a chore. Scrub, rinse, rub. But once I slowed down and started being kind to my face, it started to respond. Redness faded, fine lines softened, and my skin actually felt more comfortable, like it could breathe again. And the best part? This gentle method didn't add more time to my routine. I just replaced old habits with better ones. So tonight, before bed, try it. Use lukewarm water, cleanse gently, and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. No rubbing. Give it 1 week and see how your skin responds. You'll be surprised how much difference a little kindness can make. Point 2. The golden minute. Now that you've washed your face the gentle way, let's talk about something just as important: when you moisturize. You might already be using a good moisturizer. Maybe even one that's a little expensive. But if you're waiting too long to apply it after washing your face, you're losing most of its benefits without even knowing it. Let me explain. Right after you wash your face, your skin is fresh, clean, and slightly damp. But it's also vulnerable. The natural oil layer that usually protects your skin is gone, and within just 2 to 3 minutes, your skin starts losing moisture rapidly. Studies show that within 3 minutes of washing, your skin can lose up to 30% of its moisture. After 10 minutes? Nearly half. That means even the best moisturizer won't work properly if you wait too long. It's like trying to water a dry sponge. This is why I call it the golden minute. You have a small window, just 1 to 2 minutes after washing, when your skin is the most ready to absorb whatever you apply. And that's when you should be applying your moisturizer. Not later. Not after reading the paper. Not after checking your phone. Right then and there. Here's a simple routine I follow. after washing, I gently pat my face with a soft paper towel, not to dry it fully, but just to remove excess water. Then, I use a hydrating mist or toner, preferably one with hyaluronic acid, which helps trap moisture. Finally, I apply my moisturizer. That's it. 3 steps, done within 2 minutes. You don't need 10 products. You just need the right timing. One of my patients, a 68-year-old man, used to wash his face in the morning and then read the news before applying moisturizer. His skin always felt tight and dry during the day. When I asked him to moisturize immediately after washing, that tightness disappeared within a week. His face looked calmer, and he even said it felt like he'd given it a drink of water. So if you've been applying moisturizer long after washing your face, try doing it during the golden minute. It's such a small change, but your skin will thank you for it every day. Point 3. Don't forget your neck. Let's talk about something most people ignore for far too long, the neck. We focus so much on our face that we forget the neck is just as important. But the truth is, your face and your neck work together. When your neck isn't healthy or relaxed, it affects the way your face looks, especially as we get older. You see, your neck has many lymph nodes and small blood vessels. These help carry nutrients and remove waste from your skin. But as we age, the muscles in the neck tighten, circulation slows down, and that's when the puffiness, sagging, and heavy face look starts to appear. Some people try creams and treatments for their face but never think to support their neck, and they wonder why their skin still feels dull or bloated. One of my patients, a 75-year-old woman, was very gentle with her face and used good products, but still felt her skin looked swollen in the morning. When she started doing a simple neck massage every day, the change was almost immediate. Her face looked lighter, and the puffiness under her chin started to go down. The best part? You don't need anything fancy. Just your hands, a little face cream or oil, and a warm towel. Here's what I recommend. After moisturizing, take a bit of your cream and gently slide your hands from the base of your skull down to your collarbone. Do this about 10 times. Use light pressure, you're not pressing hard or rubbing. Think of it like guiding water down a smooth path. This helps move the fluids and supports better blood flow. Then, place a warm towel around your neck for about 2 minutes. It helps relax the muscles and open up circulation. After that, gently cool the area with a cool towel for 30 seconds. This back and forth with warm and cool helps your blood vessels open and close properly, like a gentle workout for your skin circulation. If you have high blood pressure or thyroid concerns, it's best to check with your doctor first. But for most people, this simple habit makes a big difference. So next time you care for your face, don't stop at the jawline. Include your neck. It's the bridge that connects your face to the rest of your body, and when it's cared for, your whole face feels the difference. Point 4. Simple natural masks. Now let's talk about something many people overlook, natural face masks. You've probably seen shelves full of fancy jars with big promises and even bigger price tags. But the truth is, some of the best skin treatments don't come from a store. They come from your kitchen. And yes, even something as simple as an egg can help bring life back to your skin. Let me explain. I've used and recommended expensive creams in my career. Some of them work well. But not everyone can afford them, and more importantly, not all of them are necessary. I've seen older patients get better results using natural ingredients, just because they were consistent. That's the real secret, doing the right thing again and again. For example, egg yolks are full of nutrients your skin loves, like vitamins A, D, and E. They also contain lecithin, which helps keep your skin cells soft and hydrated. When used as a mask with a little honey, egg yolk becomes a gentle moisturizer that leaves your skin feeling smoother and nourished. Then there's egg white, which helps tighten the skin and reduce puffiness, great for a firming effect. And if your skin is sensitive or needs some healing, flaxseed oil is a wonderful natural option. It's rich in omega-3 and can help reduce redness and improve skin texture. One of my older patients, a 69-year-old man, began using these simple masks regularly. After about a month, his daughter asked him what he had done. His skin looked brighter, more even-toned, and he said it even felt healthier. Not because of magic, but because of routine. Here's a schedule I suggest. Monday and Thursday, egg yolk plus a teaspoon of honey, moisturizing. Tuesday and Friday, egg white mask, firming. Wednesday and Saturday, flaxseed oil, soothing and regenerating. Sunday, give your skin a rest, no masks. Just apply with clean hands, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and rinse gently with lukewarm water. That's all. Natural masks are not about quick fixes. They're about showing your skin a little love, regularly. And trust me, your skin knows when it's being cared for. You don't need to break the bank to glow. You just need to start. Point 5. Facial exercises. Let's move on to something most people never think of, facial exercises. You might be surprised, but just like the rest of your body, your face has muscles too. In fact, it has over 40 of them. And just like any other muscle, if you don't move them regularly, they weaken, sag, and start to lose shape. That's why some people start to look tired or droopy, even when they're feeling just fine inside. Over the years, I've noticed something very clear: the way we use, or don't use, our face muscles every day leaves a lasting mark. Stress, aging, even sadness, they can all affect the way our muscles behave. You might not notice it, but maybe your mouth is always slightly turned down, or you hold tension in your jaw, or you rarely show big expressions anymore. All of that slowly shapes your face, and not in a good way. But the good news? Just like walking or stretching helps your body, a few simple facial exercises can help lift, tone, and relax your face. And they don't take long at all. Here's what I recommend. First, take your tongue and gently stretch it along the inside of your top gum line, 10 times in a row. This helps release tightness around your mouth and improves blood flow. Second, pronounce exaggerated vowel sounds, A, E, I, O, U, like you're in a theater class. Say each one slowly and clearly, opening your mouth wide. It may feel silly at first, but this wakes up the muscles that shape your cheeks and jawline. Third, set a gentle reminder or alarm during the day to check your lips and jaw. Many of us, without realizing, clench our teeth or purse our lips throughout the day. Every time you notice tension, breathe in and let it go. Let your face soften. I had a 71-year-old patient who rarely smiled. She was under a lot of stress and had developed a permanently downturned mouth. After a few weeks of doing these exercises, not only did her face look more relaxed, but she actually felt lighter and more confident. Your face reflects your mood, your habits, and your care. Don't just clean it, move it. Stretch it. Smile. Show different expressions in the mirror for just 5 seconds each: joy, surprise, curiosity. You'll feel a difference. And over time, you'll see one too. Aging doesn't mean losing your glow, it just means learning how to bring it back. After all these years as a dermatologist, I've come to believe one thing very deeply: the true secret to beautiful skin isn't in a bottle, a needle, or a clinic. It's in how you treat yourself every day. Your hands, your habits, your attention, they matter more than any product you could buy. You see, your skin isn't just a surface. It's your body's largest organ. It reflects what's happening inside: your health, your sleep, your stress, your love for yourself. And no matter your age, it still responds to kindness, to gentle care, and to thoughtful habits. I've seen it happen over and over again, in my patients, and in myself. So today, I invite you to try just one of these habits. Maybe start tonight with a gentle face wash. Or tomorrow morning, check how soon you moisturize. Small changes lead to big results, but you have to start. Not someday. Today. I'll be here to share more simple health and skin tips every week, because your wellness matters. And your age is not the end of beauty, it's the beginning of wisdom. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you found even one tip helpful, I'd love for you to join our little community. Subscribe and turn on notifications, so you never miss the next piece of advice, like how warm and cold towels can transform your morning routine. Take care of your skin. And more importantly, take care of you.